I'm Richard Wenham. I'm Head of Operational Support for DHL. We're currently in our new Coventry facility. It's a purpose-built site by ourselves, 270,000 square feet. So the total capacity of the site is just under 60,000 items an hour. They started the tender process about 3 years ago. We went out to tender. During the period of when we were starting to look at this machine, we went out to various suppliers. Caljan were one of those suppliers that we looked at. I was really impressed with the way that their products, what the product portfolio looked like, and they were able to fulfill our need for extra long booms in this facility. So that was one of the unique points that they had over their competitors. We visited their facility out in Latvia to look at the plant through the production. And then from that process from there, it was around 6 to 12 months once the order was placed for delivery to start. We had a dedicated delivery team, installation team on site that helped us with the install. So following the installation of the main sort equipment, the Caljan guys came in and they finished off the final part of their installation. As far as the facility goes, inbound, the boom is extended onto the rear of the trailer and the parcels are then placed on the boom. It comes through something called a morphologic switch, and that morphologic switch is looking for the stability of the parcel and whether the parcel moves in friction. If it does, then it diverts it to another part of the plant, and if it doesn't move, then it diverts it up onto the main sorter. Once the parcel's been processed through the whole system, it then reaches one of our outbounds, goes round a spiral, and then the parcel reaches the Caljan boom that then takes the parcel onto the rear of the trailer, and that helps us load the trailer more quickly and more efficiently than doing it manually. So one of the key features from Caljan was the most energy efficient motor on the length of boom that we've installed on the site. It was really important for us that we could gain those energy efficiencies so that we could become operationally carbon neutral. Reliability is really important for us. So we really strongly, from a reliability point of view, had to make sure that we partnered with the right partner. Choosing Caljan has helped us with regards to the throughput of the machine. The uptime is really important to us. So from the respect of their way that their machinery works, we've had very little downtime in the first quarter that we've used the equipment for. So from that perspective, we're really pleased with how Caljan have performed. Included in the booms are a number of safety features. That's really important to DHL. Safety first for all our employees that are using the equipment. So again, we were really pleased with the designers on the innovative ways that they've come up with certain safety features that are on the booms. DHL are built on partnerships. We can't do this on our own, so we need to have strong partners. We've developed that relationship with Caljan over a number of years, and that partnership has become stronger and stronger as those years have gone along. The reason that we built this building is because DHL has seen a phenomenal growth in the e-commerce market. We really wanted to be able to use someone that we could not just use in this hub, but possibly use them in other buildings that we're building across the whole of the UK to build this new network to handle the e-commerce market. If we were to build another hub, we certainly would be looking at Caljan to help us with the design and the build of that centre.